How would you like to have the ability to talk directly to the universe, to manifest more of the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon? In this video, we're going to talk about 3 essentials for talking to the universe. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon so that you are always up to date with the latest on the law of attraction, personal empowerment, and the mind sciences. Now today we're talking about talking with the universe, communicating with the universe. And I know a number of you have written me and you've said, I just feel like I'm talking to a brick wall. You know, I have desires, I have wants, I have needs, and I put it out there to the universe and nothing comes back. And I'm going to share with you 3 essentials that you may not hear anywhere else. But if you follow these 3 essentials, you will always be able to talk to the universe and you will always receive response, because that's what the universe is. The universe is interactive with your thoughts. The universe is interactive with your feelings and emotions. So how you communicate with the universe determines what or if you manifest what you deeply desire. So number 1, and I think this is so important, high flyers, place great value on your communication with source energy. Whatever you believe source energy to be, whether you call source energy God or Buddha or Jesus, whatever you call source energy, or however you refer to source in your mind and in your life, place great value on daily communication with source. It can be as simple as closing your eyes as you fall asleep and communicating not your wants and needs and desires. There's a time for that. But communicating to source energy, oh, here it is. Are you ready? Your gratitude. You see, high flyers, when you put yourself in a state of deep gratitude as you fall asleep, as you commune with the universe, you create a connection that is almost unbreakable. It is unbreakable if you do it on a regular basis. And the connection will grow every single day that you practice this simple little technique. I do it as I fall asleep. And I say, Dear God, I am so grateful. And I begin going through all the things that I am grateful for in my past. Then I go through all the things that I'm grateful for in my present. And then I go through all the things that I am grateful for in the things yet to come, but that I am certain of, that I believe in. And I share my gratitude with the universe. And oftentimes I feel this warm, soft, loving feeling. See, you can believe that the universe is this giant cold vacuum, or you can believe that it is a loving, caring environment. I choose to see the universe as loving and caring. I choose to see God that way. That's my choice. And hey, your choice is your choice. But does your choice empower you? My choice empowers me. So daily gratitude, daily communion with the universe, absolutely essential. The second essential key to communicating with the universe, to talking with God, is be in alignment with God. Be in alignment with source energy. Be in alignment with the universe. And one of the things that you quickly understand about the universe is you just look up there. The sun is giving. The moon is giving. The stars are giving. The earth is giving. Plant life is giving. Everything is in the process of giving. It's there for us. Think about it. Everything that you see and you touch and you feel and you know is giving. It's giving abundance. It's giving love. It's giving healing. It's giving health. It's giving vitality. The universe is constantly giving. If you doubt whether the universe is giving, you just took a breath, didn't you? The universe just gave you air. You eat food. That food is charged by the sun. The universe gave you the sun, right? The universe gave you the food. The universe gave you life. The universe is constantly in a state of giving. So, in order to be in alignment with that kind of vibration, that kind of energy, I want to quote a biblical verse. Whether you are a believer in the Bible or not, you'll understand the meaning of this verse. Give, and it will be given unto you. Give. Give of your time. Give of your resources. Give of your life force. Give of your energy. You know, high flyers, we have a lot of different ways, Rachel and I, that we like to give to other people. But there is nothing more important than time. When I give someone time, I expect them to value it because I can't replace that time. It is time that I took away from my family. It's time that I took away from my son. It's time that I took away from myself to give to someone else. And so I expect that they will value that sacrifice. But even if they don't, I understand that the universe does. If I give a gift certificate for food to a homeless person, he or she may not even appreciate it. They may think they deserve it, and perhaps they do. But when I give it to them, I'm not giving it directly to them. I'm giving it to the universe. I'm putting myself in alignment with the universe. Look there's no communication with the universe if you're not in alignment. And alignment means giving. Alignment means sharing. And when you do that, when you give and when you share, guess what? You're telling the entire universe, I don't have a lack mentality. I don't have a poverty mentality. I believe that there's infinite love, infinite resources, infinite amounts of money available to me. There's no shortage of anything in the universe. And so the first one, of course, is placing great value on your communication with source energy, the universe. The second one is being in alignment by giving. But now the third one, and this is perhaps the most important. The universe, high flyers, does not respond to begging. The universe does not respond to wanting. The universe does not respond to needing. Look at, if you want proof of that, just travel the world. There are people everywhere that need something. There are people everywhere in the world that want something. There are people everywhere in the world that believe that they lack something. The universe doesn't respond to that. What the universe responds to, what God responds to, what source energy responds to, is absolute certainty, absolute faith. You can call it faith, you can call it certainty. But when you set an intention, and you know that that intention is important, it's part of your life mission, it's part of who you are. When you do that, high flyers, listen to me, and you're absolutely certain, your faith is solid as a rock. You're not sitting there wondering, am I making the right decision? I hope so. I wonder if it's going to work. I'm waiting for. You're not in a state of lack, of doubt, of fear, of pain, of anxiety. You're in a state of certainty. You're in a state of absolute faith. When you're in that state, nothing can stop you, because the universe is now in alignment with your intention. And what can come against the universe? What can stop God? Not a damn thing. Nothing. Nothing can stop you, because you are a co-creator of your reality, and you have done your part by creating the intention and digging yourself in solid in faith and certainty. That's how you communicate with the universe. If you lack that, you lack the essential for manifesting anything you truly deeply desire. Create that absolute certainty, create that absolute faith, and miracles will manifest in your life. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.